issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, northeastern Polk, P.O.L.K. County in western Arkansas, southwestern Yell County in central Arkansas, western Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located heading from 8 miles southeast of Cardiff to near Oliver, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waldron, Odin, Mimosa, Cedar Creek, Pencil Bluff, Pine Ridge, Needmore, Bowles, Sims, Parks, Harvey, Cherry Hill and Polk, P.O.L.K. County, Y City.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.
The following is a message from the Emergency Alert System.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County in west central Arkansas, central Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Rudy, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Van Buren, Charleston, Shadarville, Mount Hainburg, Alma, Lavaca, Mulberry, Dyer, Branch, Rudy, Bloomer, Figure 5, Kibler, Concord, Shibley, Meg, Peter Pender, Vesta, Cecil, Furry. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 7 and 24. Interstate 49 between mile markers 22 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.